How do you map a global logistics supply chain? Have you ever wondered how products travel from one corner of the globe to another? Mapping a global logistics supply chain is the key to understanding this journey. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to define the scope and objectives of your mapping project. Decide which part of the supply chain you want to focus on. This could be a specific product line, a geographic region, or a group of suppliers. Setting clear goals helps you gather the right data and analyze it effectively. Next, it's time for comprehensive data collection. Gather detailed information about all the players involved. This includes raw material suppliers, manufacturers, logistics providers, warehouses, and distribution centers. You should collect data on sourcing locations, transportation routes, inventory points, costs, timelines, and any subcontractors involved. You can obtain this information through supplier surveys, site visits, procurement records, and internal logistics systems. After you have all the data, create a visual representation of the supply chain. You can use flowcharts, node maps, or specialized supply chain mapping software to illustrate how materials, information, and finances move through the network. This visualization should show every step from raw material procurement to manufacturing, transportation, warehousing, and final delivery to customers. It helps clarify the connections and dependencies across global operations. Now, perform an analysis to identify risks, bottlenecks, and inefficiencies. Look for vulnerabilities such as single-source suppliers, long lead times, inventory gaps, or transportation delays. Understanding these weak points allows you to manage risks proactively and improve operations. Based on your analysis, optimize the supply chain design. Explore alternatives like rerouting shipments, diversifying suppliers, reducing handoffs, or adjusting inventory strategies. Some mapping tools even allow you to simulate these changes to see their impact before you implement them. Finally, keep the map as a living document. Regularly update it to reflected changes in suppliers, routes, or processes. Global supply chains change quickly, so frequent reviews ensure the map stays accurate and useful for decision-making. Mapping a global logistics supply chain is essential for gaining visibility into complex networks. It helps you coordinate transportation, manage inventory, and build better relationships with suppliers. This ultimately leads to improved responsiveness and resilience in the face of disruptions. Plus, it supports compliance with regulations and sustainability goals by clearly showing the flow of goods and materials worldwide.